when I started by telling you all that the DNA case was settled out of the court, and some people did not yet. Oh my God, no, I don't want this. I want to have the background. All right. So I want you to hear directly from Joseph Aleba legal team that they settled out of the court. You listen. I want you to hear directly. You know, that's why they were so ashamed of themselves. They couldn't speak. Come on, guys, tap on the screen now. Look at you guys are not even tapping on the screen. Okay? You guys are the one letting these criminals get away with these things. Come on now, tap on the screen, man. Let's get the likes to 1,000 before I even start. Come on now. Get the likes going, guys. In fact, please send requests because this account is a new account so that we can, have people to trace us down here. Just be in the box so that others can trace us. You don't need to talk, please. Just stay in the box so that others will be able to trace us. Okay, everybody send requests and be in the box. Just to be in the box. Okay, so others can trace us and we can educate people. It's all about education, please. Please, okay? Just stay in the box and so that people can just be educated once and for all and understand the thing. When we all understand the same thing, there is power. Okay, nobody should be too smart. Everybody has to understand the same thing. Please. Enough is enough. We are no longer in the days where one person knows more than everybody. It doesn't matter whether you go to school, you don't go to school. The world is well civilized now that everybody must know everything. Everything is not going to school. It's common sense, please. I said it. Two lawyers went into the court. Two of them came out. One was bold. One was bold enough to talk about everything that transpired, while the other one just ran away in a car. The other one just ran away in a car. So let me find the news and read it for you guys so that you can hear by yourself. You know, I'm putting them on a tight corner. As long as I am on this case, lies is not tolerable. Lies cannot be tolerated as long as I am on this case. Because if they can lie and pass me, come on now, how about people who don't have understanding? Okay? If someone like me who think I have understanding, they can still play me. How about others? And I won't let that be. They're going to have to face the truth. If they don't want justice, let them tell the public, let's know their mind and stop all this shit. Don't play on our intelligence. Mohbad wife agreeing to do DNA punch. Let me read it for you. Shame will not let them come read it out. Let me read it for you guys. Please listen. Please be tapping on the screen. Come on, guys. Be tapping the screen. We need one person to fill in that box. There's one space there. One person to fill in that place. One person to fill in that space. Just fill in the box. You don't need to come up now. All right, let me read. Thank God everybody's there. Please be tapping the screen. Please just be tapping. And I'm going to read slowly so that everybody can get in. Mohbad's widow agrees to DNA test to determine son's paternity. Wummi, widow of the late singer and rapper Irioluwa Aloba aka Mohbad, has expressed readiness to conduct a DNA test to determine the paternity of their only son, Liam. Punch Metro reported that the deceased singer's father, Joseph Aloba, filed a suit seeking a DNA test for his grandson. In the application by the legal team to Joseph, the family sought an order to serve Wummi by posting all the originating processes and other processes in the suit on the last known address of the respondent. The family's legal team led by Emmanuel Oroko, however, argued that attempt to serve Wummi failed. The magistrate court, during its sitting on July 9, 2024, in the Ikorodu area of Lagos State, directed both parties to explore an alternative dispute resolution. I think I should explain that. So on July 9, 2024, the court told the two sides, Wummi team and Baba team, to try to go and resolve their issue by themselves. I mean, behind doors, to try to come out with some set of solutions by themselves. But if they're unable, then the court will have to judge. They have to be a battle.
Papa, can you mute Crown, please?
Now, in the court directed both parties to explore an alternative dispute resolution, leading to closed-door negotiations since July 9, okay? Leading to closed-door negotiation, that they should go and negotiate in closed door. Look at the word I'm using. I'm using the same word I have been using before and the same word that is here, negotiation. Shame no go let them read them out. They no go read them out. Okay. Leading to closed-door negotiations that also failed to yield an agreement. In a statement obtained by Punch Metro on Sunday, that is yesterday, a representative of Joseph Aloba legal team, Monisola Odumosun, stated that Wummi had agreed to carry out the DNA test. And the lawyer added that this was followed by the settlement terms drafted by both parties. Wummi lawyer was 100% correct. All of you humiliating that man. The man was 100% correct. Wummi outsmarted them. Wummi was already losing this case. Because I told you guys on the 18th, you see, this is the truth that they don't. When they carry on no-name dumps to go and be taking responsibility of a very important case like this, they mislead you. They make you blind. You don't have to be a lawyer to understand what is going on. And that's why I keep telling people from this platform. I want you to know how to just have the knowledge. If there's one thing you have learned from this case, just be intelligent. Just have the knowledge. Please. It's not about fracas. It's not about I know better than the other person. It's understanding. That's what we care about. I've been talking about negotiation. They say, no. Where is this negotiation? Okay. So, the family lawyer added that this was followed by the settlement terms drafted by both parties. Odumosun, in the settlement, disclosed that Emmanuel Oroko informed the court that both parties had settled outside the court and are ready to move the term of settlement already filed and served on Wummi's Aloba's lawyer. So, Emmanuel Oroko, one of the lawyers working with Mohbad's team, had told the court that court should not bother about their case anymore. Okay, that they and Wummi have settled outside the court. You get what I'm saying? You know, I told you guys, Wummi was going to lose this case on the 18th. On the 18th of this month, Wummi filed a preliminary objection for the court to stop Baba from asking the DNA test of Mohbad. So Wummi was thinking that court will kick Baba out, they will reject Mohbad. But when court look at the application of Wummi, they throw it away. That the man has the rights to ask for the DNA. So Wummi has seen that she's losing. She knows if she go to court, Baba will defeat her. Okay? So now she doesn't know what to do again. You know, she's queen of settlement. Then before you know, she contacted Baba Mohbad legal team. Oh yeah, you guys should come, let's negotiate. Then those ones too, because they like to chop now. They like anything. If now money anything we give them, they go not their head. Then those ones, come, let's settle. Then those ones too went. Instead of those ones, you know, when you are going to win a case, you should understand you are winning this case. Why settling? Why settling when you understand you're going to win a case? Why settling? Unless you know that you were going to lose it too. Wummi knew she was going to lose it. That's why she was. Because since July, why did Wummi not settle? Why did Wummi file preliminary objection on the 18th of this month? So she knew that she was going to do DNA, but yet she's filing preliminary objection. To do what? Come on now. So now, Odumosu in the statement disclosed that Emmanuel Oroko informed the court that both parties are told outside the court and are ready to move the terms of the settlement already filed and served on Wummi Aloba's lawyer. In response, Kabir Akingbolu, that is Wummi lawyer, Kabir Akingbolu, leading Adams and Atata, ESQ and MKO Oriri, concurred, and the court adopted the terms of settlement as the judgment of the court. So what the two parties agree upon that they were gonna do, okay, then the court said, okay, I'm gonna mediate. This is what you guys want, right? Okay, it is not the position of the court, it is their own settlement that please the family. That is a family settlement, family's justice. According to Odumosu, Mohbad's widow agreed in the terms of the settlement that the DNA test be conducted in a recognized and accredited government or private medical facility within Lagos State or another agreeable hospital outside Lagos State. The lawyer also noted that Mohbad's father had agreed to bear the cost of the test processes and other associated fees. In the terms filed before the court, the respondent Wummi Aloba consented to submit herself and her son, Master Liam Aloba, for the conduct of the DNA test at two recognized and accredited government or private medical facility within Lagos State or other agreeable hospital outside Lagos State. In turn, the applicant, Mr. Joseph Aloba, agreed to bear the cost of the DNA test processes, including the fees for the testing facility, the collection of samples, and any associated legal or administrative fee. The court further ordered that the DNA test be conducted at a mutually agreed upon laboratory or medical center within Nigeria. To ensure and ascertain the reliability of the test, the court further appointed some officials to supervise the processes of the DNA test. Meanwhile, according to the statement, the court also ordered that both parties should bear their respective costs regarding this case, except the processing of the DNA test the applicant undertook to bear. Okay, that is everything. Every other thing that is left is Mohbad died at the age of 27 with circumstances surrounding his death, sparking controversies on social media, being a former record label. I mean, this one is the normal news, normal what happened to Mohbad. So this one is of no. Okay, let me just read this one again, just to give you the info. Okay. Mohbad died at the age of 27, I be 26. Which kind of thing they happen to Baba Mohbad legal team? They just tap this thing out of sleep, Mohbad died at the age of 27 with circumstances surrounding his death, sparking controversies on social media. Being a former record label signing of Malian music owned by Naira Marley, Mohbad left the label in February 2022. The Lagos State Police Command had on September 18, 2023 inaugurated a 13-man special investigation team to probe the singer's death. His death also led to the arrest of Naira Marley and controversial Lagos Social Balogun Elitu, also known as Sam Larry, amongst others. The body of Mohbad was on September 21, 2023 exhumed for autopsy to unravel the cause of the death. Meanwhile, some observers from various countries have raised concerns over the coroner's inquest into Mohbad's death, citing alleged unfair proceedings and potential suppression of evidence. The group in settlement on Sunday, the group in a statement on Sunday stated that they were advocating truth, fairness, equity, and accountability, and had been monitoring the court sitting at Ikorodu, Lagos State, Nigeria. The observers expressed reservations about adjournment of the proceeding and other factors they allege threaten justice for Mohbad. During the cross-examination of Mohbad with the Adebanjo, the observers also alleged that counsels were constantly interjected and prevented from gathering desired information. So, I don't know. Oh my goodness. Before they will go and be, before they will go and be reading, that's why, I'm sure that is why Wummi lawyer came out. Everything Wummi lawyer said was correct. Aside from what, the judgment he was making. Aside from the judgment he made about Mohbad, which I don't think that is proper, but 90% of what he said there was correct. Take any of the statement of that lawyer and prove it wrong. You see, people who are illiterate, whenever you let them to rule, you will be like fool. Small things that you do and get away with it, they will be doing it and they will be there forever. Because they are not supposed to be there. They're not supposed to be responsible for those things. But because that is why most countries in Africa don't advance. Because the people that you have in position of leadership, sometimes most of them they are dull. The real people who can do it, they will never let them do it. They will never let you guys do it. They will fight to kill you, call you dirty name, destroy you. And ask them, what can they do? They see it like their right. If you ask Grex right now, what is your right in this case? He cannot explain. What right has Grex got in this case? Is it your son that died? Why do you guys think that other people who also care should not be part of having this solution made? Why? Because he's getting money from it. And that is why they are using stupid people like Comfy. Comfy is not the one they are using to bully everybody. They want her to be insulting people, to curse people, to make people regret why they are injustice for Mohbad. As if only Comfy and her father can give Mohbad justice. And to all of you who listen to these scripants, do you think they can do it alone? If they can do it alone, then next time we should not join. Next time Nigerians, whenever they see any boy, any child, it is one girl now in Anambra State. There's one girl in Anambra, her dead body was found on the road. I could have been talking about that one too. But who knows? When you start talking about it right now, the parents come, they will say it is their child that died. Leave it. That child body is still lying there, that girl. I don't know who used her, kill her, and dump her body. Most of you watched that video. It's recent. Yes. Recent days, it was shared that people were trying to identify her parents. They don't know her dead body was dropped. A very young, promising young lady. We don't know what happened to her. And this is how this country is becoming. This is Anambra. And you have TikToker here dancing. Their house are burning down. Their house are burning. And they are here dancing. Hey, consign us. It happened in Lagos now. Consign us. It happened in Anambra. Consign us. It happened in Maiduguri. Consign us. Then they wait to go happen to their brother or to their papa. Then when it can happen to you, who you can consign? I want to know who you consign. You see, that the nonsense we una do, we white man take colonize the whole Africa with this. When they colonize some, others say no consign us, small, they capture small, they capture the other, till they capture all of una, they no consign us. When you see bad thing, okay, happen anywhere, no supporter. You see Comfy Bukky just cursing people's children. That's how she will curse your children one day. Better know so. As you are there listening, in fact, that's what they call karma. As you they laugh, which they do it no good, you they laugh. Just know saying all those things that you are seeing happen there. All of you listening to Comfy and allowing her in front of strangers, people that she never even know, and be destroying the reputation of babies who are still growing. That those children, they have never even realized who they want to be in life. You're already putting them on the internet, destroying them. And some of you say you have children at home. You say you have children at home. You say you are looking for justice. You say you have justice in you. You have fairness in you. Are you guys joining this thing just to have fun? I don't understand. Oh God.